We're in sunny California, but it's not sunny today. So, I'm gonna take advantage of it. I'm gonna go out in my rain boots and explore Santa Monica. Doesn't that sound like fun? Oops. Matt's gonna stay here and work all day. Right, Matt? That's practically a torrential downpour in California. Okay. All right. So we're going for a walk in the rain. How exciting is that? Oh my gosh, see, it's practically flooded out there. See this puddle right here? I could step in it and my foot does not get wet. Isn't that great? I just love these boots. They rock. One of the best things about rainy days in Santa Monica is when you come down to the promenade, there's hardly anyone here. You basically can walk without listening to a million people and their different shows that they're putting on. It's very different to be here when the performers aren't out. It's nice though, feels good. I love where I live, in beautiful Santa Monica, with beautiful, sexy Matthew. It's a really fun place. I think everybody should experience it at least one time. It's so beautiful here.